quickest video on YouTube you're going to find on how to operate the Craftsman chargeable screwdriver. The fancy name is Craftsman 4V Max Cordless Gyroscopic Screwdriver. What does that mean? Here's how you use it. You know how to charge it. I don't have to tell you that. You can see the little LED light. Now all you have to know is how to use it. The thing senses the position of your hand. So all you have to do is press this button and then turn the screwdriver in the direction in which you desire the tip to spin. That's it, folks. There's one other feature. It locks. I don't know why you would want to lock this thing, but it has a lock on it. Let's do it again. You press the thing. Now it has variable speed. So if I only turn my wrist a little, it only turns a little. If I turn it a lot, it turns a lot. And vice versa. That's it. I wanted to make this brief so you can get back to work. See you on the next one.